So I thought I'd come on today and make a few tags. Wish you all a very Merry Christmas. I wanted to get on and wish you guys a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, just in case I don't do a video until after the new year. So I'm gonna make some tags with you. I do have a coupon code for you, valid through December 27th for 16% off. The code is Rudolph's Deal, one word. So the culprit markers that I used for coloring in the images, this one is R29, G05, and YG06. So I cut my images out with the Brother Scan and Cut, and I also, before I removed it, I cut out the outline just a little bit bigger so I have a shadow behind my image. Now if you don't have the Brother Scan and Cut, I do have a video showing how I did these without the Brother Scan and Cut. So very easy to do. I'll have that linked up above for you to check out. So those were some big tags, and I realized I needed some more tags, so I wanted to do a bunch of smaller ones. So I did print out 16 to the page. I think I would have liked 12 to the page. The size would have been just a little bit bigger than this. I think that would have been perfect. Now I colored 4 of them. I think these would look just as cute in black and white with either red or green behind it. I think they turned out super cute, so I just added the little shadow to the black and white images. So just glued those on. And I'm just going to punch a hole. You can add twine or you can leave it like this and just glue it onto your package. But to make it extra special, I'm going to add some twine. So I'm going to just use this crocodile and then punch a hole on all of my tags. And then I just hand wrote in there my to and from. I have these that I have a stamp. I thought I'd do the same with this digital stamp here. This is the pine tree. Now what I did was I put it into my program. I'm using PicMonkey, and I was able to change the line color to green, and then I just colored in the trunk of the tree with brown. And I'm just going to cut these all out. I'll use my Brother Scan and Cut, and I'm going to have them with this little one. So I think that's going to turn out really cute. So we can make some tags with these. And I'm going to have the link in the description box to both of these digital stamp sets. In case you want to make some quick holiday tags, in case you forgot that you needed some holiday tags, this is a great way to quickly make them. You don't have to worry about any items being shipped to you. Just go and download your digital image right away. And make sure you do download it right away. The digital image files do expire. I think they expire in 6 days. Does anyone have a white Christmas in their forecast? I checked mine. There's no snow on the way, so no white Christmas for me. But tell me in the comments down below if you are expecting a white Christmas. It's always nice to have snow on Christmas Eve or Christmas Day. Anyone have any special plans for Christmas Eve? Are you going to your families or just staying in? So I'm going to work on all of these, and I will be back with the finished product. So these are turning out really cute. I added the shadow behind the pine tree, and we're going to tie it off with a little bow. We're going to do the same with the little latte cup. Now I've got a bunch of tags I can actually give, like make a little pack and put them in a little baggie and give them as a gift. So I just add a little glue to the back and add it onto my shadow. And then just pop a hole on the top and then twine or tie on my twine. Now you really don't have to do any coloring with these pine trees. If you change the color of the line, they actually look really nice, even if you don't color in the tree stump. So we got our little bow, and then I'll just put those in a pile. So I wrapped up my little tags in a little clear baggie, and I can give these along with my gifts just for an extra little thing, a handmade item. And then I have my tags ready for my presents. So I hope you guys have a great Christmas. I wish you guys a very happy new year if I don't talk to you. And thank you guys for stopping by and watching the video. And if you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up. That will help share the video to others. I will talk to you guys real soon. Bye guys.